All right, well, hey, how's everybody doing today? We're at the airport this early morning. I say early, but it's just now 7 o'clock, and to me that's early. I know. Anyways, we're out here to test fly a Cherokee 180 that we've been putting the engine on. So, let me get this gate open here. Willis has just gone and fueled it up, and he's on his way back to the hangar right now. And then we're going to get loaded and get started.
Okay, engine's already warm. I'll just pump it a couple of times. Okay, brakes are set. Master switch is on.
It's 12119.
Asheboro Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 1145 Zulu. Weather. Wind. Calm. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 12 Celsius. Dew point 6. Altimeter 3022.
3022. Okay, for takeoff. Seatbelts fastened, doors locked, cabin doors and windows closed, fuel selector full of tank, primary and lock. Mixture is set. Throttle to 2,000 RPM.
set.
Okay, click, click. Good. Click, click, bolt, click. Left, click, bolt. Carb heat. Decrease. Okay. It's got suction over there.
Suction.
Yeah, carb
At
temperature
5.
is working. All right. EGT even works. All right. Flaps are set. Trims have been, our electrodes have been checked. Transponders at all. Torpedo heat we're not going to use. Landing and strobes is on. Takeoff brief. We've already had that. All right. Normal takeoff. Rotate about 50 to 60 miles an hour. Climb out at about 80. All right, you ready for this?
I am ready.
All right. Okay, 120.8. Asheboro Regional Traffic, Cherokee 9720 Juliet is going to be taking runway 3 out of Asheboro. Will be a left turnout, climb to 5,500 feet over the airport for 30 minutes for a maintenance check, engine break-in. Asheboro traffic.
All right, we'll have one taken off behind us.
Yep. You ready for this?
I'm ready when you are.
All right.
You got flaps are down?
Flaps are down 1 notch.
Okay. smooth up here today.
Yeah, it's nice. Couldn't ask for a better day to do this.
Newberry County traffic, Cherokee 43055 left base, runway 4 Newberry.
We're at almost 4,000 feet.
Shelby traffic 53 Alpha Alpha is about 3.5 miles to the east.
Yeah, I'm not used to all this power.
This is amazing. It's got, like I said, it's got a climb prop on it, so it don't go as fast as it could.
Newberry County traffic, Cherokee 43055 on short time, runway 4 Newberry.
You're just flying with your feet, aren't you?
Yep.
I love those days.
Yep. You know, it's a nice day when I can sit here and pull my arms and just fly the freaking thing with my feet.
Yes. Man, this thing flies nice.
It is a nice flying airplane.
So during this break-in period, we run it at full throttle, or do you set a cruise setting, or what is the required RPM range?
65 to 75%.
Okay, so a cruise power
Cruise
setting.
power is 75% for 2 hours. Second hour, do power alternations between 65 and 75.
All right.
So the first hour is just one power setting, and I'm going to ease it back. I'm almost to 5,500.
Well, we continued to circle at 5,500 feet while we monitored the engine instruments, making sure everything looked and smelled good before heading out away from the airport. This Cherokee 180 engine hang has been an absolute blast. It's been a great learning experience on how an engine is properly mounted. A huge thanks to Willis and the owners of 20 Juliet for letting me help with this project. I've learned a ton, and I'm looking forward to the next time Willis needs a second set of hands. After an uneventful 2 hours of flying, it was time to bring her back, marking the end of another successful flight.